everyone. My name is Sanvika and I am studying 5th standard F section. I am tell the story about the foolish lion and the rabbit. One day, the one day a lion and all the lemurs lived in the forest. One day the lion told all the animals, I all are I am very hungry. All are come to me. I eat all of you. Then one then the rabbit oh, then the rabbit one rabbit turned. He told the plant to the other animal. I told the lion, you can shout that please. Then I told to fall down. You all are fall down. Then we are told to the lion. Then the rabbit goes to the lion. The lion goes to eat. The rabbit told, stop, please. One time shouted to me. The lion shouted. The rabbit told, all are fall down, fall down. The all are fall down. Then the lion smiling and told to the rabbit, look, I shouted, all are fall down. Then the rabbit smiled and told, the nearest father there once a lion. That lion only shouted, all are fall down. You do not shouted, all are fall down. Then the lion angered and go to the nearest forest. The lion go, there no lion in the forest. Then the lion forgot the way to go her forest. Then he shouted, a foolish rabbit. Then the lion goes to another forest. The moral of the story is, don't be foolish, be serious. Thank you.
Good.